Hey guys, what's going on? It's TCARP. All right, I'm doing a little testing thing for me today. Let me show you guys. All right, so I've got this solar panel just kind of put up on top of the Sequoia, and right now it's it's a 100-watt solar panel. It's only getting in about 15 watts, but again, the sun's over here, so when the sun kind of rises and does its thing, hopefully we'll get more sun. But I've had this for Patriots Patriot Power Generator. I think this is the 2000X. I've had this for a couple years now. As you can tell, it's kind of been beaten up. It's in the back of my Sequoia, and I mean it's 20-something degrees right now. I've used it several times. This thing's been pretty flipping rock solid. Has zero issues with it. And I'm using one of their solar panels and just kind of seeing if it'll charge up, like what it takes. So put this in there. Like I said, it's kind of the cool thing about these Sequoias is you can roll these back windows up. And I'll do that. Yeah. And then there you go. And that takes care of that. And it's just a test today. Just a test. We'll go to church. It's at 63. We'll go to church. It's at 63%. And when we come back, see where it's at. It's just a little test for you guys. We'll see what happens. All right. So it is about 1:20. The sun is a lot higher in the sky here. And let's see. When we left for church, we put the four Patriots, put the solar panel out, and let's just see. Let's see where it was at. It's right around 62, 63 this morning. We'll just kind of see where it's at. Hold on for me. All right, right now it's at 69%. Get this stuff. Like I said, it's all 30. It's at 69%, and the wattage has got about 51, 52 watts coming in. Again, the sun is, started over there. It's a lot higher. It's going to run up and down. But again, I'll take it. Now, if we wanted to really get this thing set up, and I think I'm going to show you guys something. What I can do is I can get this pointed toward the sky here. Get that just a little bit more elevated. Let's see that. All right, now look at it. Now we have it more angled toward the sun, and we've got much more watts coming in. Look at that, guys. So it's all about how you're getting that done. It won't be fully charged all the way today, but it's definitely charging. All right, guys, so some real talk. It's about 36, 37 degrees, even though the sun's way in the sky. As you can see, it started over here and it has moved to over here. So we've got the solar panel up here, and it is, what time is it? Hold on, fellers. It is 3 o'clock. So let's see. And we've had it since about 10 o'clock up. The solar power generator started at 63%. Let's check and see where she's at, okay? And again, we're doing the 4 Patriots Patriot Power Generator 2000X, and just a realistic, real world, hey, if I set it out, where would it be? So let's check this out real quick. All right, 74. So it started at 63%, it's at 74%. And again, we've got a 100-watt solar panel sitting toward that. Now, here's the kicker. You're probably always gonna have to move it to get it the best sun. So let me kind of position that over a little bit. All right, now that we've got it positioned, let's see. Yep, now we're back up to 81 watts. and definitely just getting more in there. Now, another thing I want to say, again, it's 30 something degrees outside. It's cold. And these batteries, it's keeping its charge and it's working in the cold. They have these lithium iron batteries. They're not the ion batteries, they're iron, and it seems to work really well. It's not going to charge up the fastest, but it's also not going to overheat, and it's not going to be really messed up by this cold. So that's pretty incredible. Now I know, Four Patriots did send that thing to me about 2 years ago, but hey man, I've kept it in the back of this thing, and it's just powered up all my stuff. So far it's been pretty good, and we'll just kind of see how it does by the end of the day. Right now, 3 o'clock, it's gained about 10-15%. All right, so the sun has officially set. It's 5:30. Let's see what the 100-watt solar panel did from, wintertime, kind of moving it from, like, let's say 10 o'clock all the way to 5:30. So it started at 63%. Let's find out. All right, guys, so let's find out. Let's click that button. Okay, 79% now. Okay, we've got 0 watts coming in from that. 79% from 63. That's not bad. Not bad in my opinion. Again, we are talking about a 100-watt solar panel. If you bought more, man, you could crank that up. It'd be fully charged in a day. But again, we're being realistic. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So let's use this to charge up. See, I've got a little Eaton Wolf here, a little battery charge. Let's do this. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, so we're charging up this Eaton Wolf, which looks like it had like a dead battery. Okay, so 12 watts out, you've got 74 hours, man, running, something quick and simple. I mean, these battery systems, if when you're talking about low wattage stuff, are really, really awesome. Like a phone, like something like that. And that's what I'm telling you is just be smart with your solar system. If you expect it, if you guys just expect it to be something that's going to be exactly like what your regular power system is inside your house, you're going to be woefully disappointed. But if you use it smartly, like a system like this can absolutely just be incredible for you. What I'll do is I'll let the Eaton Wolf power up. This cold battery does zap these bad boys, or cold zaps these really good. Doesn't that zap the Four Patriot stuff? So, I mean, again, just be smart at what you're doing, what you're using it for, and I think you'll be really, really, really happy with what it's stuff. Again, really happy with the Four Patriot stuff. Genuinely love this. It's rugged. A lot of people will be like, "Oh, it's cheap Chinese crap." I'm like, they don't know what they're talking about. But really like this stuff. It's good products. I do enjoy it. So, yeah, that's just kind of me rambling. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Please like, subscribe, share, all the stuff. Again, this is TCARP signing out.